Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a testimonial slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I have already built an example to show you. So let me show you the example, what I have already built and what we are going to learn in this video. So let me go to the example now. So this is the example of a client testimonials. Okay, client testimonials is all about client reviews. The client has given us some kind of reviews, some kind of ratings based on the services we have provided to them. So here is a testimonials of a client. So this is the review given by the client, this is the client ratings, this is the client name, and this is the client designation in their offices. Okay, so we are going to build this kind of slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this slider is very responsive on any kind of devices. So let me show you the responsiveness also of the slider. See, this is responsive for any kind of devices, for any kind of screens. Let me change the screen. See, this is responsive on any kind of devices, on any kind of screen. See the responsiveness. See, it is fully responsive as well. So in this video, we are going to learn how to make this kind of slider using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started guys. But before starting up the video, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER and please like all my videos so that it will motivate me to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development and web designing. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER and please like all my videos. Okay, so guys, let's get started and build this kind of slider, okay, using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This slider is known as testimonial slider. Okay, you can read the text here, what our client has to say about us. Okay, this is known as testimonial slider only. So guys, let me go to the code editor now and I start coding for this slider. So let me go to the code editor now. I have already saved this page as testimonial slider.html. So start coding now. Code with ER Prabhat Pandit. So in this video, we are going to use Bootstrap and JavaScript. So let me paste this CDN link for Bootstrap. So I have already copied. This is the link I am going to use in this video. I will explain you what is this links all about. And this is the links for JavaScript and jquery. Sorry guys. So this is the link for Font Awesome. Okay, this is the link for Bootstrap. This is the path, and this is the link for all carousel style sheet. This is the theme default style sheet. This is the Google link for Google API link for Google font. Okay, I have used Google font here in this project now. So let's get started guys. Now create this kind of slider using HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So create a div, give it a class as container. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as row. Close this div now. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as demo. Close this div now. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as all big header, and give another class. Okay, close this div now. Inside this div, create h1, give it a class as all bow header, give another class as text white text center. Okay, and font medium. Okay, close this h1 now. Inside this h1, write text what our clients has to say about us. Okay, and below this h1, create another div, give it a class as all header para, and give selection serial. Okay, so close this div now. Inside this div, create p tag, give it a class as all big para, close this p, and inside this p, let me copy the text from the previous example. Let me copy the text so that it will save a lot of time. Paste it here. Now save your code and go to the browser. Open in browser. As you can see this now. So again go to the code and create another div. Below this div, create another div, give it a class as row slider, and close this div. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as large 12 and columns. Okay, close this div now. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as all carousel and all theme. Close this div now. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as item, and close this div. Okay, so in this div we are going to place each and everything. Okay, in this div we are going to place each and everything. So create another div. Inside this div, give it a class as testimonial container, and close this div now. Okay, inside this div, create another div, give it a class as testimonials, and close this div now. Inside this div, create another div, give it a class as testimonial image. Okay, close this div now. Inside this div, create img tag, img. Later we will define the image name and give it a class as images and user image. Okay, user image. Give alt, it is not required here, but give testimonial slider. Okay, that's it. Testimonial slider, that's it. And below this div, create another div, and give it a class as testimonial text. Okay, close this div now. Inside this div, create p tag, give it a class as testimonial para. Okay, close this p now. So let me copy the text from the previous example. Okay, so I am going to copy the text from this previous example. Paste it here. Now we have to place the image name also here. So let me show you the previous testimonial. Refresh the page now. So first go to the images folder where I have saved images regard to this tutorial. Okay, so copy this image name, go to the code, paste it here. Okay, so inside this div, inside this p, create another div and give it a class as stars container. Okay, close this div now. Inside this div, create I tag, give it a class as fa stars. Okay, and area hidden equal to true. Okay, close this I now. So copy this I and paste it 5 times. Okay, so now create another div, below this div create another div, give it a class as mt2 and mb2. Close this div now, and inside this div create a span tag, give it a class as name and close this span now. Okay, give Nikhil Kamath. Okay, he is the founder of Jirodha. So inside this div create another div and give it a class as designation. Okay, close this div now, and inside this div create span tag and give it a class as role. Okay, and close this div now. CEO Jirodha. Okay, so save this page now. Go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, as of now you're not able to see anything, so let me just comment this out, and let me just comment this out also, CSS4 slider. Okay, comment this out, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. So as of now we are able to see this only, so we will style this later. So go to your code, from this item, okay, from this item to this div, copy your code and paste it 6-7 times according to your requirements. So copy this and paste it here. Later we will change the text and images. Okay, so save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. So now we have to change the image's name. So go to this slider, refresh the page, Bill Gates and Sundar Pichai. Fine, go to the folder Bill Gates and Sundar Pichai, copy this, go to the code, go to the code, replace this image name and change the text also, Bill Gates CEO Microsoft. So go to the folder again, Sundar Pichai, copy this text and change this image name and this name also, Sundar Pichai, okay, CEO Google. Okay, so again go to the example, refresh your page. Next one is Satya Nadella and Mark Zuckerberg. Satya Nadella and Mark Zuckerberg. So go to the folder, copy image name and replace your image name here, replace this text also, Satya Nadella, okay, CEO Microsoft. Next one, Mark Zuckerberg, go down, replace this image name, replace the text also, Mark Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, CEO Google, Facebook, sorry guys, Facebook. Okay, go down, go to the folder, copy this name, replace this, image, give some random name like John Doe, CEO, web world. Okay, go to the folder again, copy this image name, paste it here, replace this text also as AK Akshay Kumar, replace this text also Bollywood actor. Okay, so save your code. Now go to the browser and refresh your page. I don't have extra images, so let it be the images here which is already here. Okay, so we should not waste our time on replacing the image. We just want this kind of functionality and this kind of features. Okay, so let the image be here only. So it's time to style it. So I'm going to style it now. Go to the code, go to the top, in the head section I'm going to create style sheet. Okay, so we are going to now style this. Later we will write JavaScript. Okay, so first of all I'm going to style this. So give padding 0, margin also 0, give box sizing, add as border box, and give line height 1. Okay, dot after before. Okay, before, so give display as block, clear both, and overflow as hidden. Okay, now I'm going to style body. So give background color only as dark magenta. Okay, so now I'm going to target this row slider, copy this and paste it here, give padding as 0px and give padding bottom also 0px. Now target this demo as it is a ID, so we have to use hash. Paste it here, open and close this. Give background color as dark magenta, give padding as 40 px, and give width as 100%. Okay, now I am going to target this testimonial container, okay. So copy this, paste it here. So give padding as 20 px, give background color as dark, give border radius as 5 px, give box sizing as border box, give box shadow as 2 px, 3 px, and 10 px. RGBA, just need to change the opacity. Okay, so opacity is going to be 0.1. Okay, so give margin left as 10 px, and give margin right also 10 px. Okay, save your code now and give transition all 0.3 sec is. Okay, now on this testimonial container hover, we are going to change background color. Okay, so give this background class, as of now give white. So on hover of this testimonial container, we are going to change the background color. Okay, so background color will be now FFC 107. Okay, give transition all 0.3 sec is. Okay, so now I am going to target this all carousel, all stage outer, all carousel stage outer. Okay, so all carousel and all carousel stage outer. Okay, so give background color as transparent, and give padding bottom as 10 px. Okay, so save your code now, as of now, and go to the browser and refresh your page. So as of now we can see we have to style it a lot, then only we will be able to achieve this kind of functionality. Okay, see, this is very smooth and very unique also. So we have to achieve this kind of functionality in this code. Okay, so first of all, let's write JavaScript for code for slider. So let's uncomment this now. Let's uncomment this. So we are going to write now JavaScript for the functionality of slider. So go to the bottom of your code, uncomment this also, and create a script tag now below this script, and I'm going to write JavaScript for the functionality of slider. Okay, so document dot ready, then we will run a function. Okay, close this and open this. So where all equal to I'm going to target this whole carousel. This is the container, this is the parent container for each and everything, this whole carousel. Okay, this is the container for each and everything. So this is the container for each and everything. See, it is closing here now, so paste it here and close this. So now whole carousel, curly parenthesis, open and curly braces. So put loop as true, put margin as 10, give nav rewind as false, give autoplay as true, give nav as true, give center false, give slide to scroll as 2, give autoplay timeout as 5000, give autoplay hover pause equal to true. Okay, save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page now. See, as of now we got this kind of slider. As of now we got this kind of slider, so we have to style it now. So now go to the code again, go to top in the style section and style it. Okay, so go to the images now. Now we're going to style all priv all priv span. Okay, give float as right, give left as 1px, top as 135px, give background color as F01D44. okay, give width 30px, give height also 30px, give line height as 70px, give display as block, put justify content as center, put align item as center, align content also center, give border radius as 0px, put color as white, give font size as 40px and and put box shadow, box shadow, put box shadow as 3px, 3px, 20px, RGBA as 0.3. okay, and give box sizing as border box. okay, display as flex. So now we have to style all previous, all next span. So give position as absolute, give float, as right, give right 1px, top 45%, give background color as F0 1D44. okay, give width 30px, height 30px, and give line height also as 70px, give display as flex, justify content as center, and align item center, align content also center, give border radius 0px, give color as white, give font size as 40px, and give box shadow as 3px, 20px, RGBA. Just change the opacity 0.3. okay, so now we are going to apply some background when someone is going to hover over this. okay, so dot all prev span on hover. okay, on hover. So give background color as black. okay, save your code. As of now, go to the browser and refresh your page. See. okay, so again go to the code and give it a style again. Go to the code and style it a bit. okay, so go to the style sheet and use class all theme all dots all prev all prev all dots and all dot span. Okay, display, give display as flex, justify content as center, give align item as center, give align content as center, give position as relative. Okay, give width 10px, give height also 10px, give margin as 2px and 3px, give background color as white, give webkit as backface visibility as visible. Okay, give transition opacity 0.2 sec is. Okay, give border radius as 100% and give font smoothing as anti-aliased. Okay, and give webkit as font smoothing as anti-aliased. Okay, now target this dot, paste it here, give it a class border, give 3px solid and white, give it as important, give border radius 100%, give outline as none, give width as 20px, give height as 20px, text align as center, give display inline block, give margin as 5px, give copy this font smoothing. Okay, now we are going to target this testimonials. Okay, these testimonials, copy this, give dot and paste it here. Okay, so now give width 100%, give display as block, give text align as center, and give position as relative. Save your code now and check your output in the browser. We have a lot to do here, as of now. Okay, so let me inspect this first. Did we have any error in the console? Okay, no error is there, so we are going on right track now. So now go to the style sheet and style it a lot. So now I'm going to style this image. Okay, this images class of this image tag. Okay, of this image tag. So go to the style sheet, paste it here, and give width as 200 px, give height also 200 px, give minimum height as 1 px, give max width as 1 px, give max width, give min width here, and give max width as 100%, give margin 0 auto. Okay, give position as relative, give display as flex, give justify content as center, give align item also center, and give align content also center. Okay, so give border radius as 100% to make it circle. Okay, to make it round, give overflow as hidden, give object fit as cover, give transform scale 3D, just give initial scaling, and give transition all 0.3 sec ease. Okay, now I'm going to target this image container, so this is the container of this image, testimonial image. Okay, so go to the style sheet and paste it here, give width 200 px, give height 200 px, give overflow as hidden, give margin as 0 auto, give display as flex, give justify content as center, give align item as center, give align content also center, give position as relative, give border radius as 100% to make it circle, to make it rounded. Okay, give box sizing as border box. Okay, box sizing at border box, give border 10 px, solid dark magenta. Okay, and give transition all 0.3 sec ease. Okay, now whenever someone is going to hover over this image, okay, save your code, go to the browser now and refresh your code now. See, now whenever someone is going to hover over this image, we are going to give this effect. Okay, this scaling effect. Okay, this is known as scaling effect. So we are going to give this effect into this slider now. So go to the style sheet and style it. So testimonial, copy this, paste it here, and close this, and on hover. Okay, I images, okay, give transform, give scale 3D, and give it 1.3, give 1.3 and 1.3 also. Okay, and give rotation also, rotate 3D only 5 degree. Okay, and give transition also, copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, so now we'll copy this again and paste it here, close this, and on hover of this. Okay, give border as 2px, solid, dark, magenta. Okay, and copy this transition from here and paste it. We are using transition only for animation purpose, animation effect. Okay, this effect, let me show you the effect, this kind of effect. So it is happening so easily and so smooth. So due to this is happening smoothly. Okay, there is no zoop like effect, it is happening so smoothly and so easily. So this is the reason for this. Okay, so now I am going to style this testimonial text. Okay, copy this from here and paste it here, paste it here. Okay, so give padding top 10px and give width 100%. Okay, so now I am going to target this testimonial para, Okay, so go to the style sheet and paste it here, testimonial para now. So give color as 25 and 33. Okay, give text align as justify, give font size as 17px, give font family as Montserrat and sans serif, give important. Okay, so give, that's it, give cursor as pointer and give font weight also as 500. Okay, now I am going to target this name, the name of the client who has given us reviews about the services we have provided to them. So copy it here and paste it here, give font size as 20px, give color as magenta and give font family as, give font family this font family. Okay, copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, Montserrat. Okay, Montserrat Now I'm going to target this P. Okay, so give this P, go to the style sheet P and style it now. It will be applied on all the paragraph. Okay, so give line height as 1.5 em, give margin as 0, 0 and 20 px. Okay, give text align as center, give color as white, give font size as 20 px and give font family, copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, Montserrat. So save your code now, as of now, and go to the browser and refresh your page. Let me refresh this page now. See, we have got the effect now, the same animation effect. We have got it here. Okay, so now again go to your code and style it a bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to target this all header, this all bow header. Okay, this all bow header. So paste it here and style it now. So give position as relative, give display as block, give text align as center and give color as white, give font weight as 600, give font size as 3.3 rem, give font size, okay, let it be this only, give text transform uppercase, give font style as normal, give font family from here. Okay, paste it here, give line height calc 1 em plus 8 px. Okay, give margin as 0, give text align already given, give okay, font bed already given. Okay, so now I am going to target this slider. This is the main content for each and every slider. Okay, we have pasted each and everything inside this item div only. Okay, inside this item div we have to paste each and everything, then only our slider will work, otherwise it won't work. So now go to your style and style it now. So give padding as 0 px and 0 px. Okay, so now I am going to target this all header para, this all header para, this class. Okay, go to the style sheet and paste it here. So give margin top as 25 px and give display as block. Okay, so now going to target this all big header. So copy it from here and paste it here. So give position as relative, give display as block, give text align as center, give clear both, give margin top as 40 px and give margin bottom as 40 px. As of now, let the margin top be 0 only. Okay, so save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page and see the output. So as of now, go to the code, go to the style sheet now, and now going to target this and we'll put after CSS, after shadow classes. Okay, after, so give position as absolute, give content as none, give background as orange, give top as 120% pixel percent, give width as 150 px, give left as 50%, give height as 2 px, give z index as 9, give transform translate -50%, comma -50%. Okay, so save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. So we have got it here. We have to style it a lot. So as of now, you are seeing like this, go to the browse code and style it a lot. So now I'm going to style all preview, so give position as absolute, give top as 40%, give left as 1 px, give float as left, give border radius as 100%, give outline as none, give display as flex, give justify content center, give align content as center, give align item center, give font size as 30 px, give text align center, give opacity as 1, give visibility as visible, give transition all 0.3 sec is. Okay, so display, everything is fine here. So give align self also center. Okay, font size, opacity is given, fine. So now save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. So go to the code now, go to the JavaScript code and make it responsive. Now we are going to make this slider as responsive. So go to the JavaScript code and responsive okay, give 0 responsive, give items as 1 only, and comma for 600 give item as 2, and for 1000 give item as 3. Okay, so save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. Let me inspect this. Let me inspect this. Let me inspect this. We have got some issues, guys, so I am resolving this. Container so we have to make it like this. Let me inspect, go to the code now. So give demo 100%, give important, row container demo, give id also as demo. So we are calling it as id here, no, that's why it's not working. So save your page now, go to the browser and refresh your page. See, so now we have to decrease the font size, we have to decrease the font size. Okay, so make it 3, go to the always remember guys, whenever you will stuck in your coding, try to inspect your code and try to resolve it. Don't run away from it, okay? So don't try to run away from it. You are a coder and you have to resolve it. So comment this as of now, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. We have to make this exactly like this, okay? So give 15px, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Now we have to put some kind of media query also. Now we have to style this content, okay? So go to the code, go to your style sheet now and start styling it. So fafa star, give color as 007, okay, and give font size also 20px, okay, give fafa o and give color as 007 bff and give font size as 20px also, okay? So save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Now we have to inspect this button, left and right button, okay? As you can see, we have got the dots here, okay, like this dot, okay? So first of all, fix this button. Font size, refresh your page, inspect it again, give this as position relative, okay, decrease the top value, top 60, we have to write media query also. So go to your code and decrease the value of top. So go to your, where is the top? Where is the after pseudo class? Copy this and search it. Yeah, it's here. Give 60%. Okay, give 60%. Refresh your page. Yeah, so can you inspect this? Which font family is there? Okay, all big header. Okay, all big header. We have not styled all big header. All big header. Okay, we have not styled it yet. So go to your all big header. Give it a class as all big header. All bow header. Yeah, all bow header. We have not styled it. So copy this and paste it here and give after. Okay, so go to your style sheet now. We have to style it again. Yeah, so after here, copy from this and comment this, search after, yeah, paste it here and give the position of top as 120. Save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Yeah, that's fine now. Okay, that's fine now. So after, give font width as 500 px, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so as you can see, we are almost near to this now, almost near to this. So go to the style sheet and delete this, we don't need this. So go to the style now, okay. So let me just recheck this. So all this go to the browser and inspect this. Why it is looking like this? It should be in the center. Okay, I'm just rechecking something, what I have made mistake here, and just trying to find it only, that's it. It should be in the center. So I'm just checking why it is not in the center. Okay, we have to if I put flex direction as row and flex, okay, we have to remove this flex property from here. Okay, so we have to remove the flex property. So go to the span and remove this flex property, okay, from the previous also. So save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. So now it is in center. So now it is in center. So let's just recheck from here. So one thing I have to check it again, search it. So we have not styled it, let's just style this also, then we will write media query, okay. So give font size as 17px, save your code and go to the browser. So and give font family this, copy it from here and paste it. So save your code, refresh your page now, okay, give 15px, okay. Now it is looking fine like this only. So now we will write media query for the responsiveness of each and everything on this page, okay. So now let's go to the style sheet and write media query, okay. So write media query now. So media only screen and max width 480, okay. So dot all bow header, okay, dot all bow header. So give position as relative, display as block. Through media query you can make each and everything on the page responsive for each and every kind of devices, okay. So margin as 0, text align as center, font size as 25px, give font weight as 500, give color as white and font we have to copy font family from here and paste it here, okay. So then now we are going to target the demo, okay. So demo, give padding 0, that's it. Now I'm going to target row slider, this, okay, talking about this row slider, okay, this row slider for the screen devices of screen sizes of 480px, okay. So give padding as 0, give padding bottom as 60px and give padding top as 50px, okay. So copy this entire media query and paste it here, so it will save us a lot of time. So give 576px, okay, give 576px and give demo 0, okay, So again copy this media query and paste it here and change this value to 768px. Okay, and give demo padding 0. Yeah, everything is fine. So now again go up and paste it for the device value of 992, lesser than 992. So row slider is 0, that's fine. Yeah, so again copy this and make this min width for the screen sizes of 1200px. Okay, so remove this and give container lg, give container md, give container sm, and give container xl. Okay, so give max width as 1200px. Save your code. This is the media query, okay, for the responsiveness. So save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, see, now we have got each and everything like this. So we have achieved this goal. Now let's check the responsiveness. It is also working. This is known as testimonial slider, guys. Okay, so you've got a lot of use of this testimonial slider on your personal as well as on your professional website. Okay, you can show anything using testimonial sliders. So you are free to customize, to do modifications in this type of testimonial sliders. Okay, so let me do one more thing. Put 0 and put O here also. So put O, give O, here. I know, guys, this video has become too large, but I'm sure whenever you will watch this video now, you will learn a lot of things from this video. So just be there and watch the entire video. You will learn a lot of things from this video, guys. So save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, so we have achieved our goal of this video session. See, it is looking fully responsive. Now check the responsiveness also, guys. So I am checking the responsiveness now. See, it is responsive for any kind of devices. Okay, see the responsiveness. See, it is responsive for any kind of devices. See, responsive, and it has got button also, back button, right button, and dots also. See See guys, this is very responsive. I'm sure you're going to use this testimonial slider into your project. See the responsiveness. It is fully responsive for any kind of mobile devices, for any kind of screens. Okay, so let me show you some more screen devices. See the responsiveness. It is fully responsive on any kind of devices. As you can see here, I have made this fully responsive. See, it is fully responsive. Nokia N9 also responsive. iPhone 4 also responsive. iPhone SE also responsive. iPhone XR also responsive. iPhone 12 Pro also responsive. Pixel 5, it is also responsive. So whole and soul, this testimonial slider is responsive on any kind of devices, on any kind of screen sizes. Okay guys, so we have achieved our goal. It is working super fine. This is the testimonial slider, the reviews given by the clients, the ratings given by the client name and their position. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video till last. I know you have learned a lot of things from this video, and I also know this video has become little longer, little larger, so thanks a lot, but I'm sure we have learned a lot of things from this video guys. So as you know, we have come to the end now of this session. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have learned something, if you have liked this video, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it will motivate me to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development and web designing. Thanks a lot guys. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care guys.